I was diagnosed with the TBI. So I was doing physical therapy and occupational therapy, and they set me up with the rec therapist to get out and start doing more.
The overall goal for the Adaptive Sports Rec Therapy program is to improve quality of life, especially for those veterans who have physical diagnoses such as spinal cord, amputations, visually impaired, neurological issues, at the same time working at mental health as well, such as PTSD or anxiety and depression, teaching them that it's okay to still do the things that they used to love back in the day, or maybe try new sports for the very first time, but learning how to do it adaptively as well as with adaptive equipment. So a lot of the times the veterans, they struggle with the whole world of disability, right? They don't like to be called disabled. They don't like to be called or put out there that they're a disabled veteran. So learning just to understand that just because you're disabled and you're a disabled veteran doesn't mean that you need all this help and that you're constantly going to be in the center of attention, that you just need to know that you can ask for help and help out and kind of build that independence that you can eventually do it on your own.
First time was this season that I was able to ski without falling. I was pumped up. I was sore and tired, but I was pumped up, and I was happy and kind of on the cloud and feeling a little bit better about myself.
So in order for a veteran to participate in the adaptive sports, they have to be enrolled in VA healthcare. And then once they're enrolled in VA healthcare, then they can participate in it.
So what we're doing is recreational therapy, but a lot of it is, different types of therapy and just being outside in a comfortable environment and getting them to feel a bit more comfortable. And once they kind of bridge that gap, it's amazing that the sky's the limit for some of these veterans. They're out there, they're just absolutely loving life again.
I know with me and some of the other guys, these therapies have truly saved our life. It's got us out of that dark place. It's got us moving. It's got us interactive with others. Like, I had to quit working a few years ago, so that put me in a real dark place. I couldn't work, I couldn't provide. And this gives me purpose again, and it really boosts the spirits. And I know for me and some of the others, we wouldn't be here without some of this rec therapy and some of the doctors and therapists we work with at the VA.